In the ongoing debate with Dublin City Schools over cutting time in science and social studies classes by 1/3, the question is no longer, is it true? The question now becomes, is it acceptable? In the research presented at the community meetings to justify block scheduling, half of the papers cited were from the same author that Dublin paid to consult on the issue, and 10 of the 12 are over a decade old. As an educator, I want to see a controlled study done with middle school-aged adolescents using a schedule like the one proposed in Dublin. As a parent, I really want to see this study before my son is a 7th grader. But this study does not exist, so I prefer to use data produced by Dublin themselves. Science is the lowest achieving subject on the OAA. Borrowing time from science in the name of boosting language and math scores absolutely cannot be supported by the data our children are producing. The state of Ohio has a new measurement tool for education. A value-added score of 1.0 means that our children are learning a year's worth of information in a class in a year's time. The value-added score last year for middle school science in Dublin was 0.87. In other words, our children are not demonstrating a full year's worth of growth, even under the current schedule. How are they going to be able to do it with a third less time to learn science? Next, the administration suggests that lost science and social studies instruction time can be made up with a new Reading 6 class. Actual science instruction is inquiry-based. Suggesting time in a reading class can replace time in a science class is like suggesting ketchup can replace a vegetable. In addition, on page 60 of the Common Core State Standards, it states, "It is important to note that these reading standards are meant to complement the specific content demands of science and social studies, not replace them." So what is the point in challenging our very successful school district on this issue? The reason is that our schools exist to prepare our children to enter the workforce. The Ohio Board of Regents has identified 6 key industries expected to have future job growth in the state of Ohio. 5 of the 6 key industries require an advanced degree in science. This is why cutting science instruction is such a bad idea. Now you've seen the administration's data, and you've seen the data our children produce. Make up your own mind. The board votes on Monday, March 26th, 7 p.m. in the 1919 building. I hope to see you there.